charcoals. One of them most you can have these days. We have our own brand, but for sure you can use every other brand we have. And this is just ordinary charcoal. So, for sure, we use here a cartridge. Because of this cartridge, the charcoal, we are able to blow air under the charcoal to burn it much hotter, much more effective than in an ordinary grill. And the second thing is, when we put our grill grit on top, we tear down the grill grit, with these snaps, and now the charcoal is pressed into the grill, and we have now one unit. This means if you have the grill on the table and someone maybe get a hit on it and drop it, the charcoal will never fall out of the grill, so it's very safe for you to work with this grill. We grill with our Lotus grill as we work with a normal, ordinary grill all over the world. Which means we put our chicken, we put our sausages on top, and it's absolutely no problem and makes absolutely no difference if you put the meat on the grid himself or on the stainless steel plate. But the stainless steel plate makes the grill smoke free. Because of the stainless steel plate, it's impossible that fat can drop into the charcoal. As you see, I use my chicken and use some oil, use some herbs. Fat can drop into the grill, but never into the charcoal. And this is the reason while gas grills or electric grills will also smoke very hard, but here it's absolutely impossible. The second thing is that we have here a small electric powered fan in our grill. And this means we have here 4 normal AA batteries. These AA batteries gives the power to our fan, and we have a runtime for around 20 hours with only one battery pack, so we can grill for a really long time. So that the grill is safe for you to handle on the table, we have here an inner bowl. This inner bowl is made out of stainless steel, and now the grill is double walled. And it works like a mirror that reflects the heat to the top of the grill grid and makes the grills stay cool outside. So it's very easy and very safe for you to handle on the table. To start the grill, we have here a little lighter plate, and this lighter plate, we put in the middle of the grill. Now we put our fire gel into the grill, and you need not much. We use approximately 5 milliliters of this gel, and this is made out of alcohol because this burns without smelling, and it burns without any problems for your health. Start it with the fire, and for sure now at home we use our cartridge full filled with charcoal and just put it in the flames, and the fan blows the flames through the charcoal, and we need only 3 minutes to start our grill. And I think this is nearly world record time for a charcoal grill, because 3 minutes is really very fast. Put the grill grit on top, tear it down with the snaps, and now we have one unit, and now we are ready to use our grill. And as you see, we get a nice brown color on our sausages. We get a nice brown color on our chicken, and you see, it doesn't matter if it's on the plate or on the grid himself, the food looks really very nice, looks really very well. And this is the way the grill works. And we are also able to use it maybe with a lid. If we make some chicken, if we make a big piece of meat, we can use also the lid. And we have here also ventilation, that it's possible. If you need a low heat for a nice big beef maybe. We have here the ventilation. We have also our temperature gauge on top of the lid. So you see also every time what's going on in the grill. And it's one of the it's one of the very seldom grills that have a a glass lid inside. So you see every time what's going on in your grill. Yeah, for sure. The taste is the same taste that you expect when you work with a normal charcoal grill. You have the typical taste of the charcoal, because we burn for sure charcoal and we burn them very clean and without burning any fat, so we get a really nice taste. But for sure, we also do bigger beefs, absolutely no problem. For sure, we have here some steaks. And we do also the steaks the same way, like we do them with the sausages. We use a little pepper, we use a little salt, because the inner bowl is dishwasher safe. It's no problem if there goes food inside. Just put it in the dishwasher and you will see, you will get a really nice, a really good food from our grill. So, the second thing is that we have here our pizza stone, and so we are able to bake bread or to do pizza, and therefore we use a dough made out of yeast, yeah? And we put our topping on to our pizza. Therefore we use some tomato, we use some cheese, and for sure you top your pizza like you want it. In this case we make some salami and some ham on top of our pizza. Very classic, but it depends what your taste is, and so you can work with every kind of pizza you like. A little cheese on top, so salami, and for sure a little ham. And now we are going for half power of the heat, because half power with a lid means around 180 degrees, and this is a perfect temperature for our pizza. And we close our ventilation, and now we leave it for the half power for around 15 minutes, and then we get really nice pizza, and we have here the really nice sausages. And please try how the taste is, that you feel that we have the typical taste of a real charcoal grill. If you stay a little longer, your lunch is done. It's no problem. For sure, we have also a little chicken. I think this is also really well done. For sure, you can try also our chicken. Bitteschön. Then we have here also some bigger beef. You see, this is a really short time, and we have a nice brown color. And I think this is the thing a grill should work. It works really very well. Now we put also a little pepper on top of these, a little salt, yeah. And because the meat is a little thicker, yeah, we reduce the temperature a little, yeah. And now we use the lid. But in this case, we give a little more power, that the beef have more temperature from the bottom, and we open the ventilation, that the heat inside the lid is not that high, and so we will get a perfect steak. Absolutely no problem. Yeah, and that's the way the Lotus grill works. If you have any questions, please ask.
Dankeschön.
Bitte gerne.